What's good YouTube? In today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you could fix this problem right here. So every time you're ready up for a custom matchmaking, you get a matchmaking arrow number 1 where it says sorry but you cannot use this matchmaking for this game mode. To fix this problem, what you have to do is a super simple and easy tutorial. So what you have to do first is scroll down. Then once you scroll down for a while, you should get a custom key right here. Just click on that and you're going to have to delete your old custom key. Just delete that. If you have a new one, put in the new one. If you don't, just click on accept. Now you're just going to go back up and now you're going to click on play and you should not have that problem. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. If this didn't help, just restart your game and your game should be fine. Thank you for watching.